Write down steps. Now recording has started. No disturbance. Let me explain this part. 3 minutes I will take to explain. Median steps are: first, arrange the data in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. In median, write down this. In median, ascending order, increasing order. First, we arrange the data in ascending order. Then, second step, n is number of observations. Small n is number of observation, means how many values are given. If number of values are odd, then median will be n plus 1 divided by 2 term. If number of observations are even number, then median will be n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. That we will see. Write down this, because this I am going to use to solve the problem, my dear, based on this. So let us start 17.5. Write down fast, or you can take the screenshot. It is up to you. 17.5. Now find the median of the following data. Find the median. 17.4 is over. Find the median of the following data. Find median of the following data. Find median of the following data. The data is given. Find median of the following data. A 6, 10, no disturbance, 21, 8, 3, 16, 8, 3, 16. This is very easy, 15, 22, 12. One problem you try to understand, remaining you can easily understand. 15, 22, 12. Yes. My voice is clear? Okay. And no, board is also now clear. Yes. Find the median of the following data. First, you have to arrange the data in ascending order. First, we write ascending order. First, we arrange the data in ascending order. In median, first we arrange the data in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger. So what is the smaller number in this? Yes. What is the smaller number? 3. First I will write 3. First I will write 3. After 3, after, no, 6 is there, my dear. 6 is there. 3, 6. Then after 6, 8. Then after 8, 10. After 10, 12. After 12, 15. After 15, 16. After 16, no. There is no 17, my dear. You have to 21. 21. Then 22. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have written the data in ascending order. That part is over. First part. Arranging the data in ascending order is wait, my dear. We have to complete. What is n here? How many values are given? Tell me, what is n? What is n? How many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N is 9. What is 9? Odd or even number? Odd. 9 is odd number. So whenever 9 is odd number, then 9 is 9. 9 is odd number. So whenever 9 is odd number, then 9 is 9. 9 is even number. 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 9 हाँ, whenever n is odd, हाँ, you have to write. So n is odd. N is odd. So what will be median? Median will be n plus 1 divided by 2th term. So that will be 9 plus 1. That will be n plus 1 divided by 2th term. Divided by 2th term. So n is what? N is 9. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 divided by 2th term. What is 9? What is 9 plus 1? 10. So that will be 10 divided by 2th term. No, 9. So that is 5th term. So 10 by 2 you can cancel. 2 ones are 2. 2 5s are 10. So that will be 5th term. 5th term will be median. Which is 5th term? Which is 5th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 12 is my median. So median is 12. Median is 12. 12 because see n is odd, 9 is odd number. So formula will be this. Whenever n is odd, formula is n plus 1 upon 2th term. So n is 9. 9 plus 1 upon 2th term. 9 plus 1, 10 upon 2th term. That is 5th term. 5th term of the data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 12. Median is not 5. Median is 5th term. Median is 5th term. 5th term of the data is 12. So median is 12. Median is 12. Is it clear? Median is 5th term. Yes. In median it is compulsory to write the data in ascending order. For mean it is not required. For median it is for median it is because how many data are given, how many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N is 9. 9 is odd number. Because my dear, whenever n is odd, median will be n plus 1 upon 2th term. N is 9. 5th term. When we simplify this, we get 5th term. What is 5th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th term is 12. 5th term is 12. Is it clear? 5th term is 12. My dear, when we simplify this, n plus 1 upon 2th term, which comes to be 5th term. What is 5th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5th term is 12. So median is 12. Now B, it is 9, 26, 32, 9, 26, 32, 9, 26, 32, 9, 26, 32, 51, then 7, then 16, 37, 56, 16, 37, 56. Whenever it is asked to find median, your first job is to arrange the data in ascending order. Ascending order is must. Ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. So first it is 7, then it is 9, 7, 9, then 16, then 26, then 32, 37. then 51, 56. So we have arranged the data in ascending order. How many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here n is 8. What is n? N is 8. What is n? N is 8. What is 8? Odd or even? Huh? What is n? N is odd or even? Even number. Divisible by 2. So n is 8. 8 is even number. So whenever it is my dear, 10 upon 2 is fifth term. Fifth term is 12. N is 8. 8 is even number. For whenever Okay. If you are not understanding, see, in that chart I have drawn there. Whenever n is odd, median will be n plus 1 upon 2th term. What is n? N is 9. So 9 plus 1 upon 2th term. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 upon 2th term. That is 5th term. 5th term. What is 5th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th term is 12. So median is 12. Now let us see, n is 8. 8 is even number. Whenever it is even number, what is median? Yes, what is median? Median. No. Median will be n by 2th term. N by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. N by 2 plus 1th term. Whole divided by 2. This is the formula, whole divided by 2. So what is n? What is n? Tell me. 8. So 8 by 2th term. 8 by 2th term plus n is 8. 8 by 2 plus 1th term. 8 by 2 plus 1th term. Whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. This is the formula whenever n is even. So what is 8 by 2? Tell me first. What is 8 by 2? 2 4s are 8. Very good, very good. 8 by 2 is 4, no? 8 by 2 is 4. So we can write down that as 4th term. Are you getting? You can cancel this. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 4s are 8. So what is there? 4th term plus 5th term. So that will be 4th term. 4th term plus 4 plus 1, 5th term. 4th term plus 5th term, whole divided by 2. Now what is 4th term of the data? What is 4th term of the data? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4th term, no? Are you getting this? 26. And what is 5th term? That way we have to write 4th term plus 5th term divided by 2. 4th term is 26 plus 5th term. What is 5th term? 32. 4th term plus 5th term. 5th term is 32 divided by 2. So 26 plus 32. What is 26 plus 32? 58. 58 divided by 2. 58 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. That is 29. Are you getting? You can cancel. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are. So median is 29. Median is 29. Write on this. Median is 29. Board is very much clear, right? Median is 29. Median is 29. Now C and D are homework. C is homework. D is homework. The question I am not writing, you can see from the textbook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, You get it from your friend, no? My dear, if I will write the question, it will take time. You get it, you arrange it, no? You arrange it. Now C and D. Now we will solve the second one. C and D are homework. Now we will do the second one. The marks of a student in examination are, second one, marks of a student marks of a student in examination are, marks of a student in examination are 26, 19, 1834, then 41, 20 and 40. These are the marks of the student in examination. Find the median score. Find the median score. Means median marks. Find the median score means median marks. So first you arrange the marks in ascending order. So write down this. Small to bigger solution. Write down. Ascending order of marks. Ascending order of marks. First you have to arrange the marks in ascending order. Ascending order is 18, 19, 20, 26, 18, 19, 20, 26, 1 minute. 34, then 40 and 41. We have arranged the marks in ascending order. Now we calculate how many data are given. What is n here? And how many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is 7? 7 is odd. 7 is odd or even? Odd. 7 is odd. So formula will be n plus 1 divided by 2th term. N plus 1 divided by 2th term. N plus 1. What is n? N is 7. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 divided by 2th term. What is 7 plus 1? 8 upon 2th term. That will be 8 upon 2th term. 8 upon 2th term. 8 upon 2th term. What is 8 upon 2? 4. 2. So that is 4th term. That will be 4th term. What is 4th term? Yes, very good, very good. 4th term is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my median. So median score is 26. Median score is 26. Median score is 4th term means 26. So this complete this. Median score is 26. Third one I am writing. The weight of 8 children in kg are, the weight of 8 children, the weight of 8 children in kg, in kilogram are 23.4, 21.6, 22.7, 27.2, 27.2, 24.3, 24.3, then 25, 26.5, 26.5, then 19.8, 19.8. Find, let it be 25 means 25.0. Find median weight. Find median weight. Yes. So first you arrange the data in ascending order. First you arrange the data in ascending order. First you arrange the data in ascending order. Whatever weight is given, that you arrange in the ascending order. Whatever weight is given, that you arrange in the ascending order. So we write weight. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 है. Ascending order of weight. Where? You just count ascending order of weight. You write down the weight in the ascending order. First it is 19.8. 19.8. Then after 19.8, 21.6. Okay. Then after 21.6, 22.7. 22.7. After 22.7, 23.4. After 24.3. Yes. 25. 26.5. Then 20. Yes. So now this much data is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here n is 8. What is 8 is even number. So formula will change. Formula for median will be n by tooth term, n upon tooth term plus plus n upon 2 plus 1th term. N upon 2 plus 1th term. Whole divided by 2. So n is 8. So that is 8 by 2th term. 8 upon 2th term plus 8 by 2 plus 1th term. 8 by 8 by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. So because you see the fourth term, fourth term is 26. Fourth term is 26. So do it. 1 minute. See. Wait. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 4s are 8. Then it is 4th term plus 4 plus 1, 5th term. So that will be median will be 4th term. Median is 4th term. 4th term plus 4 plus 1, 5th term. 4th term plus 5th term divide by 2. What is 4th term? Yes. What is 4th term? You see the 4th term. 4th term is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my 4th term. And this is my 5th term. So that is 23.4. 23.4 plus 24.3 divide by 2. You add them. 4 plus 3 7. Then 4 plus 3 7. 2 plus 2 4. 47.7 divided by 2. So you can cancel 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. then 1 is carried 17, then it is 2 8 ja 16, then it is 1 5 ja 23.85. You can divide 47.7 by 2. So median is 23.85. Median weight is 23.85. Median weight is 23.85. All of you have understood division? Median weight is 20. You can follow. Because my dear, fourth term is 23.4, fifth term is 24.3, divide by 2, 47.7 divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10. My dear, whenever n is even, the formula is different. No, fourth question will be homework. Question number 4 will be homework. No, fifth I will do. Now start solving fifth question. Start solving fifth question. Fourth is homework. Fifth we have to do. Fourth is homework. Fifth we have to do. Yes, ask. My dear, median is fourth term plus fifth term divide by 2. Fourth term is this, fifth term is this, divide by 2. 47.27 divide by 2. The height in centimeter. The height in centimeter. Homework. The height in centimeter of 6 girls. Are. The height of 6 girls are given 146.2, 146.2, 148.3, 148.3, 167.5, 167.5, 132.5. Yes. Ascending order of height. 160.4, 171.6. Find the median height. 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 So first you arrange the height in ascending order of height. Ascending order of height. Ascending order of height. First you have to arrange the height in ascending order. Which is smaller one? 132.5. 130. After 132.5. 146.2. After 146.2. 148.3. After 148.3. 160.4. After 160.4. 167.5. After 167.5. 171.6. Now here we find what is n. How many values are given? N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is even number. 6 is even number. 6 is even number. So formula will change. So median will be plus n by 2 plus 1 term divide by 2. So median formula will be n by tooth term, n upon tooth term, plus n upon 2 plus 1th term, n upon 2 plus 1th term, divide by 2. Static twist. N is 6, so 6 upon tooth term, 6 upon tooth term, plus 6 upon 2 plus 1th term, 6 upon 2 plus 1th term, divide by 2. Now what is 6 upon 2? Tell me, 6 upon 2. 3. So 2, 3, 2 3s are 6. So that will be third term plus 3 plus 1 fourth term. So that will be third term plus 3 plus 1 fourth term, third term plus fourth term, whole divided by 2. Now you see the third term and fourth term. What is third term? No, my dear, don't see this data. You see the ascending order. You see the ascending order of the data. Don't see this data. If you see this data, whole calculation will become wrong. This is my third term and this is my fourth term. Yes, you have to see the data of ascending order, my dear. Third term is 148.3 plus fourth term is 160.4 whole divided by 2. So you add them. 4 plus 3 is 7, then 0 plus 8, 8, 6 plus 4, 10, 308.7 divided by 2. 308.7 divided by 2. So median weight is, what is the median? Yes. So you can divide 2 ones are 2, 308.7. We are 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 0, 2 5s are 10, then 8, 2 4s are 8, 8, then it is 7. It is 7. We write 2 3s are 6. Point 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. 10. 2 5s are 10. So 154.34. 154.35, sorry. So median height is 154.35. 35 centimeter we write because the height is given in centimeter. Median height is 154.34. Sorry, 35. 154.35 centimeter. This is the median height. So whenever it is asked to calculate median, first you have to arrange the data. Whenever it is asked to find median, first you arrange the data in ascending order. For mean it is not required to arrange the data in ascending order. But for median it is compulsory to arrange the data in ascending order. This complete this chapter. This complete this chapter median. So our portion is over. Seventeen point 17.2 and 17.3 are omitted. 17.2, 17.3 are omitted. So this, now this complete the portion. Portion is over. Portion is completed now. That I will send the notice by tomorrow. Yes. 17.2, 17.3 are omitted. Now this complete the portion. Yes. Now portion is over. Portion is over. Completed portion. Yes. Bye. We stop here now. This video I will upload it today. Yes. Hi, yes. I will send the video. Just complete the portion.